May ni so pakhat sang ni som ni parukania Irana University pakhata an professor chuan in United States te hianin tiang hianin hun hi an kho ral lui ani an chemuang lui ani achan chu Indo hi an tum le wang ani tin ron tong chuak thlet maya he thil chung chang hi thudik ani nge Irana University pakhatan professor hi apot ve mai ti hi karon reaction ma kha shil du cheu chu zoshri Android mobile application hi Google Play Store ateng na download theya he app a hianin Mizo tonga le lin sa movie hmunom tak entura oma kan subscribe na mal min zel in he account te po in share thayani tin zoshri mi Mizoram a chuan in pay-per-view le subscription platform khata in kop ma saber ania tin tu na zoshri mi kan download ani chuanin Avatar Fire and Ash hi athonin kan en theidon ani tu na download big te tan mo Avatar Fire and Ash hi athonin Mizo tonga le lin sa ve kan en theidona tin Android Smart TV he zo stream Android mobile application hi a man thei bok ani chu wang chuan he app lo download ula he app kal tang nge hian Mizo tonga le lin sa movie hmunom tak in lo endone ti kha du sak takin kan thil masa cheu ani le kan riekang.
Well, let's take a closer look at the terms that Tehran has put forward to end the war. According to Iranian media, Iran has several conditions, including
Iran media ina atarlan dan sonin Iran media te hianin thil tam tak phut an nei ve ani US laka hian US lampang po hianin Iran laka phut an nei ve boka tunbi ka hi chuanin Iran lampang ina an phut te US an phut an ngena US laka tanga an in base ve te hi han thlir ho zoi
the need for negotiations on lifting US sanctions. It's also
US ina an trek na zong te hi hlive kan duai Iran lampang hian
calling for an end to the US naval blockade on its ports.
Iran long chol na muna United States Navy te na long ron lut le chuak tur piang an lo dan thin kha khang zong kha Iran lampang chon in ti to vek an du ani
and it's demanding the end of the war on all fronts.
Indo zong hi khoi tang po ti to vek an du ani Iran ate Lebanon Hezbollah lakate tin Yemen Houthis lakate tin Hamas Gaza te pon yango ka ti to vek an du ni Iran hi chuan
including guarantees against any renewed attacks.
Tin tunua Iran le apol te itimai te ang he United States le athopui te hianin anron beile to ngai lo turan iti Iran lampangina an demand ani.
Let's speak to Mustafa Kosheshem about this. He's a professor at the University of Applied Sciences in Tehran.
Hepa he professor ania University of Applied Science and Technology Iran khopui terana an professor ani hepa hianin athil soihi na common low khop mai
and he's joining us from the Iranian capital. Professor Kosheshem, thank you for your time. So, big picture first, with the US rejecting the Iranian proposal, does that mean from Tehran's perspective, does that close the door to diplomacy, or is it seen as part of a longer negotiation process perhaps?
Oh, tu da kan shket thei chin chu United States ten rotna an siama proposal an siamani ka Iran lampang chuanin anjir chianga an no changlet veta ani ti chuan US ina rodna siam Iran chanle ta kha United States te chuanin an du lawa Trumpan he chu ka pom thei lawa tia chu wan choni khatiang ani awang khan Iran le US in kar an hanin dor na te anin bek na zong te kha chun zom thei ani to lowem nge he hi kan la chun zom zelanga tiang hianin enge hunala du de udon ti kha reporter hianin professor khi azota ani professor chana he nga inom don khop mai.
Hello Foley, and thanks for having me. Well, it seems so. As a matter of fact, Iranians always believe that the United States is not serious about the talks. They're just killing time.
United States te hi Iran hongai dana chonin tuna until ti tuma hianin an serious lawani. Engma thutak na le ti tak na an nei lawani. Ati vetlat mai ni Iran professor hi afing le ni lo chonin athu soi hi a thak le ti na an yang alaya khala om thei lo shrim.
They mean to earn something in the talks that they couldn't in the war.
Indo na atanga an enge andu an nei theilo kha tuna kan in biak na atang hianin nei andu ani tin professor hianin aron soyani.
So the demands by Washington are so unrealistic.
United States tena keima ni la katanga du le base yan ron nei hi keini tan sonin ti lo tlin theilo ani enge unrealistic atia om zebera chuanin khovel tak hianin thilti theyani lo tia zo khanin non professor hianin ron soyani.
Especially when Donald Trump himself said that he wants 100% of everything, that it seems impossible. More
Donald Trump ana athil du zong hi za kan ti lo tlin thei za ti lo tling tur ni la chu kantan engma om zia nei lawang te zo hianin an professor hian ron soya he thila hi chu hey Trump hi chu adin nga ding reng don ni hi chu chiang sa ni chu wang chuanin Iran lampang ina hetianga Trump du da nang an omlo chuat nge nia thil pakhat ka rio ron omzok mai US le abigin Donald Trump ate administration hianin Iranina an pom thei mia lo tur thil rotna hi an vasia banga Iranin an nol ngei don ti te po an shelo kanga chumi azir chuanin United States lampang hianin engtin nge ma kan lak theyang hetiang hianin khovel hriata Iran lampang chuanin kan rotna te an nol ta boka chuwang chuan enge kan ti theyang o te po anti mai theiani anti mai thei kha chu hriat to lo an rilwa eng tak nge oma hriat lawa ma ro chu thil ni thei tuna hangaron soi ni chu a chan chu soi tawang khan an finga ni heng mi te hi mo an fini kan chet lo em mani enti enge lo thleng leng engen ti le don ti hi soi lo ka har
more impossible than ever to strike a deal. As a matter of fact, Tehran believes that for a person that's not reliable partner to any kind of negotiation, that has bombed the negotiating table in the past 1 year twice, and that has torn up the JCPOA alongside a dozen more international accords in this term of his presidency and in his first term. Donald Trump is not willing for a deal, and they believe that he just meant to kill the time in order to make some preparations for the resumption of war.
So does this mean then for Iran that the door to negotiations are closed, Professor?
Professor ina tu daron soi khazo Trump hi a serious lawani thilti tak tak na anei lawa tin hetia ga kan in be ga kan in dorbon po hianin kum khatal ta khan deal kan siam don tre pa khanin voini miron bom to ani tin he Iran professor hianin soya chu wa chonin tu na po hianin Trump hian hetia hianin thila ti kwala keinina kan rin dan chuan Trump hianin hun hi a kho ral luya hetia ga hun a kho ral lui na chan chu Iran hi min ron be chun zom le tura hun amamo wangin hetiang hian thilati ani tin Iran professor hian soi dei mai ni he thili chunia ani theina chance kha om ve tho fing takin hetiang hianin Trump te United States administration te hianin khovel ma athiam chang ni boxi Iran pressure pe ni boxi tin an manin US lampangina an du to ka an momo tok ang hun an in siam theina ni boxi khatia khanin che te po kha an la kha ani ve theiani khatia ni zonin United States te hi an la che thazok thowa chan chu social media te news channel tam taka te hey an thu news an post dan shrim hian enila United States chanzonga news post hi ala tam mai ani chuwan zonin United States te abikin Trump te lampang hianin social media thukal lam holam ang chi re hianin United States te chan din mun a chazok ti an hrechiang ve boxi yanga hetiang hianin thilti te po kha an tumani mai theini Iran professor po hianin aron soi chia soitong hadin hetianga aron soi hi USD mol photum na po anile dei theiani Iran professor ina aron soi dan chonin keini chon deal siam kan duwa ama pon deal kan siam don pi mi ron bom zela chuwan chonin arin tlak lawa tuna athilti dan po hi hetiang hianin huna khorala hunan mamo bela wangin te hianin thilati kola chuan miron be chun zom le atumani tiang zo khanin Iran professor po hianin United States kha ti mol pholet kha atumani thei politics chu ril rem hle mai
or is there still a chance that they could find
it's not
a solution?
Yeah, the door is not closed. Iran has always been present at the negotiating table.
In biak na ya top to don tina ni lawa Iran te hi chu hetiang hianin thatakin US te po hi kan la indor pui zel theya
and it has never left the negotiations at all. It has been the United States, as I said, that has bombed the negotiating table twice.
United States lampang zok hian ani ni deal kan siam do na pianga hetianga Iran miron beile zia tu chu
and it's not willing for serious talks, and they are not engaging in real talks. The door is not closed, but the door has been closed on the American side. So it seems to us in Tehran that the United States is preparing for resumption of war in about...
Okay, kasethia mai University lian tak ani garenga ki professor thona ki mo khitianga University lian tak an professor meu te pon khitiang angai dan an nei ani swan Iran state media kaltangin an rammi puitam takte pokian king te pokian lo mu ve in ka ringa hi tiang ani chuan in professor me ba ka an zir lai te le mi pui tam jok te pon hi pa ngai danang khi an pu furin ka ring ani tuna hianin Trump ate hianin deal siam tak tak an du lawa kan han in bia kan han in dorvel po hianin ram pahni in rem thei reng amaro chu in rem dona keini ta na pom hlei thei lo khopa khatianga rotna an ron siam thin hi Trump ate hianin in rem an du tak tak lawaniang hetiang hianin hunan khora langa an manin hunan mamo awang hian nakina miron beilenan hetiang hianin anin ruam hanani hiti hi hepa ngai dan ni chuan he university professor ngai dan ni chuan in Iran mi le sa tam tak ngai dan kha ani don chieng ani hethi le apoi mo ka tia achan chu tuna hianin US le Iran sarkar te hi anin dor me ka ni ti chuanin America mi pui ngai dan te Iran mi pui ngai dan te poi mo khop maya Iran mi pui ngai dan hi heta tanga Iran ram shoi tu te ril ruput mang asiat deu the asiat ve theina a oma achan chu Iran te hi chu hei democracy ramani lo shim shima ti hianin dictator hnuai oma nia chu wang chuanin Iran ram shoi tu te thunei tu te na an ram mi pui te ngai tua tura le ril ru hei khatia hetiang hianin ril ru lo pu ro anti theina turang khanin state media kal tlang te khanin tiang hanin news te kha an chuai don ani chu wang chuanin khipai na khitiang ril ru apu thei ani chuan khitiang professor mewina khitiang ril ru apu thei ani chuanin Iran ram shoi tu te tuna an foreign minister te in biak na atel ve zia te po hianin he US lampang hianin deal siam tak tak an du lo hetiang hianin hunan khorala chu wang chuan tiang hianin min bol kol vel mai ani heti ril rupuin hetiang hianin negotiation an hanin dorna vela te po khanin he amingin anvatel ve thin anglek te hi ani thei ani tuna he chonin thil achiang lawa ma ro chu thil ni thei tamani thil ni thei hi tam khop mai thiam angin he video hianin ron soi chu khatuma he hemi news apo hianin analysis te ni ho chu ka thiam anga ron analyze ron share ve cheu gatuma ni ron shil ve cheu ron share tir ve cheu gatuma kata tang khanin nangni po in angle san atang le khan thilna tang sang atang de khanin han ngai to thiamna te po in lo nei bel thein ka ringa ni ole ati zong ha tun tum news atana kan han ria ka kan han soi zau thei chu ani video le kanin hule theu do ni o